Today is September 22nd, 2020. I've been an atheist since I was a teenager, and I've had hundreds of conversations with religious people over the years. One thing I've noticed again and again is that many theists seem to be confused about the concept that there can be naturally occurring order in the universe. Often, theists say to me that the fact that the planets in our solar system orbit the sun in such an orderly way would be a miracle in the absence of a God. These theists have this idea that if there's no God who's directing the universe, then the universe would just be meaningless chaos, and it would be extremely unlikely for repeating patterns to occur, such as the planets orbiting the sun. These theists seem to think that a universe without a God would be similar to an orchestra without a director. It would be chaos, and it would be a miracle if the orchestra was able to play a coherent song without a director telling them what to do. In these conversations, I respond by explaining how the sun's gravity keeps Earth and Mars and Jupiter and the other planets in orbit. It's not a random accident, it's physics. Gravity keeps the Earth orbiting the sun, just as gravity keeps the moon orbiting the Earth. Many theists seem to have trouble grasping the idea that there is a collection of scientific mechanisms, such as gravity, that make the universe behave as it does. The universe is full of non-random processes, forces, and mechanisms that sculpt the phenomena we observe every day, as well as the phenomena that are so microscopic or so distant that they are invisible to us. I think many theists are conflating different contexts for the concept of randomness. If there's no God, the events that happen in the universe would be happening without a supernatural reason, but that's different than saying that these events happen without a natural reason either. In other words, a godless universe would unfold without any divine meaning, but it would not unfold without any cosmological and astrophysical meaning. It's not like our universe is akin to a 5-year-old randomly throwing paint onto a canvas. Our universe is under the constant direction of astrophysical laws, mechanisms, and forces. A universe without a God would be supernaturally meaningless, but it would be extremely physically meaningful. There are libraries full of physics textbooks that explain how and why our universe behaves the way it does, from the cosmological scale all the way down to the subatomic scale.